Many of you have probably heard the phrase, a day on opposed to a day off, in relation to Martin Luther King Day. Now, I love that, but I do want to challenge that idea a little bit because I believe the wisdom, teaching, and lessons from Dr. King that he brought forth can be woven into the fabric of how we live our lives each and every day. So one could say that this is more about a way of being instead of just a one-day acknowledgement. You see, Martin Luther King was all about belonging. He saw, spoke, and committed his short life to belonging. He recognized that individuals in our country deserved one thing that they were greatly deprived of: belonging. See, belonging is all about practicing the art of humanship. Now, what is humanship, you are probably asking? Well, I believe that humanship is the act of realizing that all anybody wants is to be seen, heard, valued, loved, and know that they are worthy of love. That's it. Creating a sense of belonging in our world is about intentionally creating conditions where everybody can show up as their authentic selves in the world and be seen, heard, valued, loved, and know they are worthy of love, no strings attached.